Hey guys, in today's video I wanted to talk to you about what an NFT is, why are NFTs so valuable, why are they so expensive, and I will also show you step by step how to buy an NFT. But let me first introduce myself since this is my first YouTube video. My name is Camelia, and in this YouTube channel I'll be talking about stocks, crypto, market news. I'll be also talking about different passive income, Amazon FBA. I've started many businesses over the past few years that have generated over 6 figures. So this is why I wanted to start this YouTube channel, to share my knowledge and to help you guys. So now let's jump back to the main topic. What is an NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token. You're going to ask me, but what is non-fungible? Non-fungible, it's just like a very fancy word for the word unique, right? So if something is non-fungible, it means it is unique. But in contrast to that, something that is fungible is something that is not unique, like the US dollar or the British pound. So a $1 bill in New York City has the same value as a $1 bill in Washington, D.C. Money is fungible because it doesn't matter what physical dollar bill you have. Every dollar bill is worth $1. Every $5 bill is worth $5, and so on. No matter where the bill was printed or where you got the money from, you can use all cash to pay for the same things. NFTs are digital items like art. It can be also like virtual land, music, in-game collectibles. They're unique, they cannot be replicated, they have a unique identifier on the blockchain. So even if you take a screenshot of it or if you take copies of it, it will not make you the rightful owner of the NFT because, as I mentioned, it is trackable and recorded on the blockchain. It has unique properties. For example, you can go in the streets and you can take a picture of a house, or you can go on Zillow and take a screenshot of the house, but you'll not be the owner. You will not own the house. You'll not be able to collect rent if you have tenants. You will not be able to build equity. Now that we've talked about what is an NFT, it is time to talk about why are NFTs so valuable. So before the invention of NFTs, there was no way to prove ownership of certain digital items like artwork or collectibles. So if you're an artist, it was impossible for you to prove ownership of these digital assets. But right now, with NFTs and the blockchain technology, you're able to prove ownership. Scarcity now exists in the digital world. And not only that, every time your piece is resold, if you're an artist, you can get royalties. Now it is time for me to show you step by step how to buy an NFT using the website Opensea. So there are many websites where you can buy and sell NFTs, but the most popular one is called Opensea.io. It is based on the Ethereum blockchain. So go on Opensea.io and you're going to go on the right hand, on the top right, you're going to see a wallet. So you're going to click there. So once you click on the wallets, they are going to ask you to connect one of your wallets. So you have the choice between Metamask, Coinbase wallet, Wallet Connect, Fortmatic. The one I personally would advise you to use is Metamask. So that's what we are going to use for today's video. If you want me to make a video with the Coinbase wallet, just let me know in the comment section. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go on Metamask download, so metamask.io, and here we're going to click on install Metamask for Chrome. And once you've done that, you can then add the Metamask extension to Chrome. So you're just going to click on add to Chrome, add extension, and normally there should be another tab, that will open. So you close that, So here what you're going to do is that you're going to click on get started. So here you're on the MetaMask wallet and you're going to create an account. So if you already have an account, just click on import wallet. If you don't, just create I agree. And then you're going to choose your own password. So I'm not going to show you mine, but you can just choose a secure password. So once you've chosen your password, you can watch this short video and then you can click on next. And here, You can click on here to reveal your secret words, so make sure to write them or take a picture, because this is really important if you want to back up and restore your Metamask account, and never share those secret words with anyone. So I'm just going to click on remind me later. So here, as you can see, this is my wallet, but I have zero money, so I'm going to go on Coinbase. So you go on coinbase.com and you just click on buy, sell, and you're going to buy, but you're going to buy Ethereum, because Ethereum, like Opensea, is based on the Ethereum blockchain. So I'm just going to buy for the video like $50 worth of Ethereum. So preview buy, and buy now. So now that we've bought $50 worth, or whatever amount you want to buy, you're going to click on send and you're going to press like 50. But since there are going to be like some fees, I'm just going to press 40. And what you're going to do here for the two, you are going to copy the address that is here. So you just copy it and you're going to paste it here. Yes, and here you are going to choose pay with Ethereum. So yeah, and we are going to press continue, send now, send. So yeah, so I just sent 0.01, which is nothing, $40 of Ethereum to my Metamask wallet. So I'm just going to click on done, and I'm going to go on my Metamask wallet, and as you can see here, I have about $40 of Ethereum, so that's perfect. So now that we have money on our wallet, on our Metamask wallet, we are going to go back on the Opensea website, and we are going to connect one of the Metamask wallet. So I'm just going to click on it. Metamask is going to bring you here, so you're going to connect your account, press next, connect, and now you're connected and you have about $40 on your Opensea account. And now it's time to explore some NFTs and to make some money. So I'm not going to go into details on how you can make money on NFTs. I want to make another video about it, so let me know in the comment section if you want one. But I just wanted to show you a little bit about the Opensea website. So when you click on explore, you can click on all NFTs, or you can click on specific NFTs like art, collectibles, music, but I usually like to click on all NFTs, and here you have like all new NFTs. So as you can see, there are a lot of them, and you can filter them. So if you want to bid, you can click on auction, or buy now if you want to buy them now. And here, this is the price of the NFT. So this is 0.25 Ethereum, which is, a little bit under $1,000, but there are less expensive ones, and yeah, and then it's time to go shopping and to make some money. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I helped you guys, and if you want any video, if you have any recommendation of video contents, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and I hope to see you soon.